Okay, Land Rover Freelander 2013 EGR valve replacement. Believe it or not, we bought a brand new one, and can you believe the brand new one is faulty? So now we're in the process of waiting for another new one, and remove this, remove the PCV valve cover, various pipes. It's not a bad job, tedious. There's the EGR valve, PCV valve cover. This is the old one we removed. This is the old EGR we removed. It was tested, it went in and out, but I think when you plug it in, it's not closing properly, and it's causing problems with the performance of the vehicle. When we put this old one in, new one in, which you can see there, that seemed to not allow the vehicle to start. And when it did start, it was humping all over the place. The engine was up and down. I unplugged the EGR valve from the back so the valve would close, and the car ran perfect with its turbo cutting in normally and everything. And obviously it must have a problem with the solenoid, I reckon, of this valve. It must be opening and closing for the engine to be humping up and down like that, and difficult starting. But when you unplug it, as I said, the car runs perfect. And but the management light stays on to tell you that the exhaust gas recirculation, it's not doing its job, and it's non-economical to let it run like that. It's not a bad job, as I said. Just take the PCV cover off, which is quite a big thing. You can see it. You take the rail off, which is here. Obviously scuttle panel, pipe, and your wipers. Yeah, and you know, as I said, it's not too bad of a job. Just take your time doing it more than anything. Hopefully I can update this once it's working properly. Have a good day. Don't forget, subscribe, like, comment. Have a good day, everybody.